just get a good video. It flies over this tower every day.
Flight Lieutenant Tom Nation at the controls. I saw Tom earlier, he was over at the booth with his ground team signing all the posters. So he's been a busy man, not just hiding, but coming and meeting the crowd.
What is it?
It normally flies over the tower every year. So if it doesn't fly over the tower, you're unlucky.
So this year's Royal Air Force typhoon display, the call sign is dragon01. Is, as I said, Tom Nation, Flight Lieutenant.
Hello, I got a picture of the old police. Didn't we?
Tom was born and raised
got the whole back, didn't we?
Joined 1004 Squadron Air Cadets, age 13, and learned to fly with the 634 Volunteer Gliding School, where he became a gliding instructor at the age of 16. Growing up, he was
it normally flies over the tower every year. It normally flies over the tower.
You know what? I was going to Royal Air Force. Then went on to study aerospace engineering at Swansea University. During his time there, he was a team member of the University of Wales Air Squadron, where he flew.
Now he's got flight radar on the phone.
Yeah, I do.
Go and run it. You might see it.
The Royal Air Force in 2015.
But it's not loading.
Completed his initial officer training at Cranwell, then went on to his EFT
Flying in my
training
house all the
with 16
time.
Squadron.
If I see my house all the time, John said to him this time with Norris.
Rob Shooter.
Stay quiet, stay quiet, stay quiet. I want to hear it. You will hear it. I know, I want to get it on video how loud it is.
Don't worry, you're on video now. How about you?
Is that loud?
After getting his wings, went for advanced flight training.
Yeah, and he said battery. Well, there it is.
Don't forget to get your £1.50 brochures from the brochures, but right now coming in from the right, the Royal Air Force typhoon display. Flying in at 100 feet, 600 miles an hour, breaking away from the clouds, putting 9G, then rolls those EJ200 into full afterburning. We're hit full. Brings away on the outbound 45, double 2. First plane to sight before drifting to get around on the second, showing off the agility of the typhoon. Now for a 450-degree aileron hesitation roll. Derry turns. Tom's 6-year-old stepson helped him come up with the next maneuver. Stopped at the Ruby maneuver. Rolls the aircraft up, pitches up. Double corkscrew on the way out.
The dogs have the
Keeping the aircraft in full afterburner and brings the aircraft back around from the right hand side, showing off that position of the jet. Rolling the aircraft around. Into the exhaust. Now watch as he comes back in, rolling the aircraft onto the top side, that outside turn, horrible, horrible -2.
That's fast, actually, don't cry.
Now the max rate turn of 360 degrees. He's pulling 9G all the way around in that turn. He's positioning the aircraft to get us back to the start point, exactly where he started off. Double aileron roll, front turn. Now watch as he positions the aircraft back around, heading back into cloud center, pushing the jet to max reheat. And then pitching up into the vertical again. Those canards working hard. Now as he comes out at the top of that, watch him pull off. I'll be afterburner, now back into the emerging. Another max rate turn, 360 degrees, pulling 9G in the turn. You can see those vapor trails beginning to form just before he goes into the corkscrew. Back towards crowd center.
Oh shit!
Aileron roll, exit, come back on the left hand side.
How do you know which? You got that stupid aviation.
Now get ready for a
So
high
am I.
pass. Full power to the EJ200, close to 700 miles an hour.
700 miles an hour is good.
Good vapor trails forming on the outside there. He pitches the aircraft up, goes into a barrel roll. Now watch as he pulls the aircraft back to idle. He's going to slow the jet down to 300 miles an hour. Pointing back towards the crowd. He's slowing all the way down to 130 miles an hour. Keep that nose up high before he brings the full burners back on and back up to 42,000 pounds of thrust. Now he's going to pitch the aircraft up into what's called a half Cuban. He's going to slam those throttles forward. Now slamming the throttle forward, it's going to bring the aircraft down to about 300 feet. And a fast pass, 700 miles an hour. I'll get your cameras ready for the final maneuver. Keeping the jet low at 300 feet, he's going to circle back, and at 500 miles an hour he's going to point the aircraft right towards the tower, pitch the aircraft into the vertical, and depart. Seconds. Ladies and gentlemen,